Okay, guys, you can see right here, it's complete. Everything is done. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit how it works. What is good, guys? This is Fantasy Motorsports. Today we're back again with a brand. Behind me is a 2004 G Wagon. What we're doing to this car something special. You've probably seen it before. We're gonna change the head unit. Give me a second.
Yes, we will.
Wow. Right here is a backup camera, right? What we doing? Right here is a backup camera. What we're gonna do, we're gonna replace what we got before. I don't think it had a backup camera, but we're gonna install that, as you can see right here. Then the most important part is gonna be the head unit, right? The head unit that was on it. Oh, the head unit that was on there was pretty old. So we're gonna replace. We're gonna put this one. We're gonna take that one out first, and we're gonna put this one. It's gonna look like a 2025 G Wagon. You don't want to miss that. We're gonna show you guys the process. You want to make sure to stay tuned. Stick around, and we're gonna bring you guys the best of the best of the best of this type of videos. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We'll be back. Don't go anywhere.
Yeah. Fantasy Motorsports, California. Yeah. Now you know. Let's go. Fantasy Motorsports, California. Yeah. Yeah. If I want my car customized, I take it to fantasy. If I need my window tint, now I go to fantasy. You wanna add more horsepower to your muscle car? Take it to Fantasy Motorsports, they go to your car. All my friends be telling me your car is looking good. All that design on your door is looking really good. Your headlights your taillights They wish their car could look like mine, that's what they're telling me. Your car could look just like mine if you take it to fantasy. Gotta prepare speakers. Speakers customized, ceramic pro, they can get it done. Don't you sit there and waste time, check out your Fantasy Motorsports. Fantasy Motorsports, Motorsports, Fantasy Motorsports. Go on to your car, Fantasy Motorsports, Motorsports, Fantasy Motorsports. Go on to your car, run around with a better car, or make sure it's push and start. I don't infantry, I car stock. They've been tuning cars, I'm back to back. And what it guess I got my back. They work so hard that they never lack. Fantasy Motorsports, boss, do it for the sports. Fantasy doing the vandal rap, fantasy doing all kinds of rap. SK Glow with an MD lights, fix a drum with a dynamite. You will fall in love at first sight, cause fantasy is something that you would like. Yeah. All my friends and family take their cars to fantasy. Walking on your car, they will bring your dream to reality. They will never let you down, treat you just like family. Fantasy could be your new family. Fantasy family, fantasy's family. Hook you up with them subwoofers, tune it up with some amplifiers, cause some dash with some nice speakers. We do it all with them big steppers. Muffler the leak, get your Kali, you be on fleek. We do it like this.
Okay, guys, you can see right here is done. You can see right here, it's complete. Everything is done. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit how it works. Right here, you got your volume. If you wanna adjust it, just right there. You wanna go down right there. Let's go back to what else is here? Call. Well, if your phone is connected, right? If you have your phone connected, any phone is connected right here. You can see everything right here. You see the calls and then your contacts and everything. You can see it right there. What else? Let's go right here. That's it. So this is like your home, your main menu. Like if you want to go to like settings, you get your settings right here, and then because this is pictures with videos and everything right there. Control right there. Let's go back. Right here is well, about the same thing. If you get your iPod, you get your USB connected. You get your USB connected right there. If your phone is connected, you will see it. Connect device. I don't want to connect my phone because I'm using it right now. But yeah, you can see everything. Go back. The backup camera, I forgot to show you guys the backup camera. Let's check it out. You know what I'm saying? Because it did not have that. We installed that with the whole package. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna show you guys right now. Check it out. Dun, dun. As you can see right there, it's clean. It looks clean. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you want to back up, boom, you got it right there. And then you can see the lines, like the lines to the left, right. You know all that thing. You know all that. But yeah, that's one of the best feature on this thing. I like it. It's pretty big. You can see clear. You can see they got a big screen, touch screen. Boom. And when you remove it on reverse, you put on park, it goes right there. Do not hesitate to bring your car here, Fantasy Motorsports. You see what we did to this car. We can do much more complicated jobs. You know what I'm saying? So again, stay tuned. Give us a call today if you want to do something similar to your car. We'll be glad to make it happen for you. More videos on the way. Make sure to leave a comment below. Whatever question you have, comment below, and then we're gonna respond as soon as I can. I will get back to you. Okay, guys. Again, stay tuned. This was Fantasy Motorsports. Catch you guys.
Junior car, Junior car, fantasy, motorsport.